Trio UB students. We are so excited to be with you virtually for this week's episode of the Miss K Makana Show. I am Makana.
And I am Miss K.
Well, we welcome you to, if you are a first-time viewer, we welcome you. My goodness, we're glad to see you. Please like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. Also apply to our program as well. But we also welcome you. Okay, we got tons of updates this week. We apologize that we didn't have one last week. So sorry, it kind of was like flew by. But we have a lot today. So first thing first, we'd like to send a big mahalo to all those that came on to Trio Day. It was so awesome to spend time together with all three Trio programs, Trio UB, Trio ETS, and Trio SSS. And hopefully you guys were able to see the connection, right? After UB, you get to go to Trio SSS and you heard success stories from them as well. And shout out to Vincent, Leah, and sorry, and Brandy for sharing their experience here in Trio UB. So we mahalo them for taking time to share their experiences. Next on my list of things is no info session this week. We had last week, so and we won't have info session for this week and next week and then the following week. Just because there's spring break is next week and Ms. K will talk about that, okay? Study hall. So we have study hall this week tonight at 7:30, Thursday at 7:30. However, during spring break, we have no study hall. It's a break, remember, break. And then when we come back to school the following week after spring break, there is a new study hall schedule. Okay, take out your pen, take out your calendar and write this in. The study hall, instead of Tuesdays and Thursdays at 7:30, will be Wednesdays at 7:30. Okay, write that down, put it in your calendar, Wednesdays at 7:30. So yes, it is not twice a week. It is going to be once a week this for the quarter four. For quarter three, we had very little people come onto study hall. So with that, we are going to revise our quarter four schedule. If we need to put more study hall schedules throughout as we end the school year, we will adapt. But for now, it'll be once a week, 7:30 on Wednesdays. Okay, next. As we enter quarter four, please let Ms. K know if your school campus sends you a new bell schedule. I know Kahuku High School sent a quarter four bell schedule, so please, for those attending Castle Kailua or Marino, please send Ms. K your quarter four bell schedule, just so that we can see when you're available, so we can bother you. Okay, Ms. K, your turn. What's up with you?
Okay, speaking of quarter four schedule, we will be also sending a poll because I know some Kahuku students and some Kailua students will be attending in person, like on their campus, sitting in their classroom kind of thing. So we're looking to see if any of you guys would love to meet us after school, like in person on your campus. So that poll is going to go out. I know Kailua kids go from Monday to Thursday, depending on their alphabet last name. And then Kahuku kids are Thursday, Friday. So if this is something you want for us to do, see you guys in person for school visits or any of their meetings, please let us know in that survey. We love Google Forms, guys. We love it. Another thing about spring break, if you guys signed up for ETS's Educational Talent Searches SAT workshop, it's happening this spring break, so don't forget. Super helpful stuff. So hope you guys signed up and turned in whatever ETS was asking for. But yeah, hope you guys have a great spring break for that and everything else. I think the last thing is school visits. is currently going on this week. And we are kind of going over a little bit of credit score, a little bit of credit cards, a little bit of loans, short and sweet workshop, you know. So we'll see you this week.
Miss Kay, what about Saturday Academy in March?
That is March 20th. Save the date for Saturday Academy, March 20th. We'll be on budgeting, saving, all that fun stuff, because you need to know this stuff, especially if you're going to go. Actually, you just need to know it. No matter where you go, no matter what you do, you need to know how to save and you need to know how to budget. But this workshop will be held by Junior Achievements. They are a great organization and they have done presentations for us in the past. I believe it's going to be from 9 to 10, that workshop, and then we're going to do another, activity together. So at least expect to be off by 11, maybe. Yeah. So 9 to 11, March 20th, Saturday Academy. Be there. And I think that's everything.
Yes, I think that is everything too. My goodness, you guys, so much updates this week. But that's because we kind of missed you last week. Then there's this week, and then next week is spring break. So lots are happening, and this is just a friendly reminder to take care of yourself, right? As we go into spring break, take a break, right? Take some time, rejuvenate, and then start quarter 4 strong as we are ending another school year. We know that you guys can do it, and we're here to support you, right? Don't feel overwhelmed. We know that it's stressful. I'm sure your teachers are stressed and they might put it on you, but it's okay. We are here to help alleviate that stress. Take a breather, step away from the computer, and just rejuvenate your mind. It's kind of like how they always say writer's block, why look at a paper and write all jibber jabber, right? Step away for 5 minutes and then come back to your paper, even half an hour. That applies to everything, especially virtual. Step away for a little bit, then come back, and that'll help your mind. But yeah, I think that's it, Miss K. Hopefully you guys are staying dry today. It is like windy and stormy. Look, I got my heavy coat on. It's like we're in the mainland. But anyways, we love you, and we hope that you guys have an amazing week. And we will see you at school visit. Other than that, this is the Makana and Miss K show. I am Makana.
And I'm Miss K. Have a wonderful
day. Bye, everyone.